Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram network not working problem. Don't worry, follow my all steps. I have solved your problem. Now first, check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. And second method, go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Tap on back option. Tap on permission. And now allow all permission. Now open your Play Store app and search Instagram and update your Instagram app. Now tap on open. And finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.